Alright, time for a brake caliper rebuild. We're going to need gloves, brake cleaner, heavy duty paper towels, grease, and a piston puller. Let's begin. Here we go. There's one piston. It's really cool. If you're curious on how these work, these little round things press up against on the inside of the piston. You have to pull it out from the inside because you don't want to damage the outside of it. You want to make sure that it stays nice and smooth. And the way this works is, let's see if the light will pick it up. And like this. So you just pop it in there like that and see how it kind of goes up in there. And then it's going to clamp it from the inside like that. There it goes. And here is our second piston. See how that works? It's pretty cool. You can get these for like 20 bucks on Amazon. The O-ring seal and the dust cover. Right. You'll want one of these right here, a nice little pick, so we can get the seals out without damaging them. And those just kind of pop out. Now we have the pad spring. Like so. Alright, now we can do a nice little clean. Fine cleaning, but as you can see, it's cleaning up real nice. Yeah, so the pistons clean up really nice. See, there's the other one. So I'm gonna get these all cleaned up. And then I got my new brake pads. And once everything's all cleaned up, we'll do a reassembly of the caliper. Stay tuned. We're gonna grease up these two rods here. And these are the little dust cover that will keep the grease trapped in there nicely. It doesn't take much. Just kind of lube up the rod. There we go. Nice. See how that moves? Little plungers. Lubed up very nicely. Now we'll take our spring. pistons back in. Very nice. And take our little itty bitty pen. Looks like it's still in good shape, so I'm going to reuse it. I'm going to put our pin into the rod. There it goes, clamps into place. That locks down there. And there you have it. This is a full brake caliper rebuild, re-clean. She definitely should perform a lot better now and everything. So yeah, that's it. I mean, that's it for the first one. I still have a second one to do, but you guys get the gist of it. Awesome. Thanks for watching.